In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your usage in QuickBooks. Understanding how to access and review your usage can be crucial for managing your account effectively and ensuring you're making the most out of QuickBooks. It's a relatively straightforward process, and we'll break it down step by step to make it as simple as possible. To begin this process, you'll want to head on over to the QuickBooks homepage. If you don't already have it bookmarked, open your web browser and just type in QuickBooks to find the right link to the homepage. Ensuring you have access to this homepage is the gateway to everything you'll need within QuickBooks. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Settings option. It's typically represented by a gear icon towards the top of your screen. Clicking on it will open up a drop-down menu where you'll find all the options related to your account settings and preferences. At this point, you should click on Account and Settings. This section is the control center for all your account details. It's where you can make changes to your company information, billing and subscription details, and, importantly for our purposes, your usage information. After clicking on Account and Settings, navigate to the Usage tab. The Usage tab provides a comprehensive view of your account's consumption, giving you clear insights into how many resources you're using within QuickBooks. Keeping an eye on this page will help you manage your subscription and potentially adjust it to better fit your needs. Once in the Usage tab, you will find an option labeled Billable Users. Click on it to see detailed information about the different users you have within your QuickBooks account. This section provides you with insights into how many users you're currently billing for, allowing you to manage your team better and make cost-effective decisions. Finally, you'll want to take a look at the Chart of Accounts. This is another option you'll find under the Usage tab. Clicking here will show you an overview of your financial accounts in the system. It's essential for tracking your financial activity and ensuring everything is categorized correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to check your usage in QuickBooks easily. By regularly reviewing your usage, you can stay informed about your account's activity, manage users effectively, and understand your financial data better. This proactive approach will undoubtedly lead to more efficient management of your business finances. I hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to check back for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.